When we do custom clearance, there are a number of words that we use which I have noticed that many of us don't know, but we continuously use those words. We now undertake a small exercise to understand very briefly what do each of those terms mean. Freight certificate. The freight amount that is paid to a carrier, that is a shipping line or an airline or to a forwarder, is very often supposed to be declared to customs to arrive at what is known as the assessable value of customs. The document which certifies that this is the correct freight amount is called a freight invoice or a freight certificate, and it is issued by the carrier or the forwarder who is going to charge the freight. FSSAI, Food Safety and Security Authority of India. Anybody wanting to deal in packaged food, in food items for export or import, needs an FSSAI registration, and all the goods which come into the country or go out of the country which are controlled by the FSSAI need to conform with all the conditions that FSSAI puts up on it. Fumigation. Many countries, including India, do not want wooden material or other products to come into their country without being chemically treated. They want them to be chemically treated so that bacteria and other microorganisms specific to one country do not enter into another country. So the process of chemically treating the container or chemically treating the packages or chemically treating the packaging material is called fumigation, and the agency which undertakes it is called a fumigating agency. Gate pass. Gate pass is a document which is issued by the custodian. It is a permission to open the gate of the custodian's premises. It could be a gate pass on export cycle. That means that gate pass will entitle the forwarder, the custom broker, to bring in the cargo, that is to cart the cargo. And if the gate pass is issued on import cycle, it gives permission to the importer, the custom broker or the forwarder to take the cargo outside the premises of the custodian. Goods registration. Whenever the goods are entered into the customs system, either on export cycle or on import cycle, that activity is called goods registration. Under the digital system, there is a possibility of doing goods registration from the office of the custom broker also. When you file a document in customs, we use the word noting. When you register the goods in customs, we use the word goods registration. IGM, Import General Manifest. No carrier, air, sea or land can bring any consignment into the country without declaring to customs that this is the cargo which I am bringing into the country. This list that is submitted to Indian Customs is called IGM. It is a very important document because in India, every consignment which comes into the country is dutiable. Every consignment which comes into the country has to follow the provisions of the foreign trade policy, that is whether the import is restricted, banned or freely importable. So it is the IGM which tells Indian Customs which cargoes are coming into the country and basis that they will take into account the revenue collection and the implementation of the foreign trade policy on those items. IGST, Integrated Goods and Service Tax. In India, GST is applicable since 2017. So whenever an export consignment takes place, the exporter wants a refund of the GST paid, and whenever an import takes place, Indian Customs would like to collect the GST on the goods on behalf of the GST. So whenever we use the word import or export, we use the word IGST, that is Integrated Goods and Service Tax. Insurance copy. All consignments which are transported internationally have to be covered with an insurance. On import cycle, assessable value is CIF, that is insurance is included up to arrival into India. On export cycle, assessable value is FOB, that is insurance on the goods after leaving the shores of the country is not to be charged. So insurance is a very important aspect for exporters and importers. It is also a very important figure for Indian Customs to arrive at the assessable value, and the document that shows the value of the insurance and also covers the various clauses of the cover is known as an insurance certificate. And when a copy is submitted to Indian Customs, we use the word insurance copy. Inward date. In the entire export-import, date is a very important issue in arriving at most of the parameters, whether the import was permitted or not permitted, whether the export was permitted or not permitted, what is the rate of duty, what is the rate of exchange to be applied. So the date on which an IGM is presented to Indian Customs, the word used is inward date.